it's some people's only musical outlet.
Yeah.
And being able to have fun and perform and not be all about like we have to be the best, we have to be perfect, but going up there and being able to sing and enjoy what you're doing and perform is really what we're all about.
It really magnifies your college experience performing for students, and students get to know you through performances like, hey, you're in Underground Sound, that's pretty cool, but also because you make a lot of friends in other classes. Friendships last forever.
It's only in my dreams.
The reason why I love my group and why I would rave about them until the day I die. It's such an eclectic group, and it gets a lot of other perspectives. A lot of it's a little more easygoing, and it's a little less perfection, more performance, sort of based, and we just have so much fun.
You love Underground Sound.
I do love.
You're all about it.
I am all about it. I will rage about Underground Sound until the cows come home.
All the cows.
All of the cows until they all come home. Oh God.